It is Saturday, March 12th, 2022, about 4:45 p.m. And it's been a good 2 years since I filmed these units. So here's a video. This is a 2009 Carrier base model heat pump. Looks like it has a fairly new compressor in it. Can't tell if this has been running or not. It's a very chilly day today. It's like 37 degrees with a wind chill that makes it feel like it's in the 20s. And I did not come very prepared for that weather. My next B10 heat pump. It's very windy today. And this is a Carrier Comfort Series straight cool unit. And a 2006 Tempstar heat pump. Was hoping I could possibly receive the glory of a defrost cycle, but can't get everything. Data sheet is so worn out on this unit. Used to be way more legible. When I first made the video of these units in 2018. And there's a 12-seer Goodman and a Trane XR11 on the other side of the building. Gonna go ahead and see if those are both heat pumps. There's a Q-Mark space heater way over there. I'm gonna give that a 10 video here in just a minute. And they're not running. Heck, I wouldn't be surprised if I were to come back here next weekend and find these running in cool mode, because it is supposed to be pretty warm then. I believe these are both from 2005. Ooh, spider. Die. So we'll go right there. Alright, I'm gonna go back over there to that Carrier Gemini way over there and see if I can get a defrost cycle. Gemini is still running. This is a 2019 7.5 ton, I believe, Carrier Gemini heat pump running in heat mode. There's a little dead frog here caught in the fan grill. Yeah, I don't think it's going to defrost. The size of this unit surprises me a little bit because this building is rather small. I don't remember what size this unit is. Okay, this is only a 2 ton. So that's like a total of 9.5 tons. Alright, I am freezing, so I'm gonna go ahead and get going and head home. So I will see you on the next one.